you'll see me continue to move around and keep the temperature inside this pan relatively even.
Getting cooking tips from a professional chef. Students in the Culinary Arts program at Hilton Head High School cook with a chef from the Art Institute of Charleston. During his presentation, he prepared a food the students have had often, but never like this.
The mac and cheese that he made was amazing, and how he did it by scratch, it was amazing.
Well, basically, it was just cool how, like, I've never seen someone cook mac and cheese, like, on a stove. Like, usually I've just, like, baking it, so that was different. It was just cool. It was good. It, like, I tasted, like, the mustard and then, like, the spices, so it was, like, cool because it wasn't just, like, cheese. Like, it was, like, you got different tastes.
Throughout the year, the culinary teacher brings several guest chefs into the classroom so students can explore different career paths in the culinary field.
Every chef does things on a different level, and it's good to have those different backgrounds come in and talk to the kids and show them that there are different options to culinary other than just working in a restaurant, you know, and give them that background of what they've gone through and how they got to where they are.
During his cooking demonstration, the chef also talked to students about programs the Art Institute offers and told the kids they need to find something they love to do and turn that into a career.
It's really about passion, finding something that you care about, finding something that you're interested in, and doing that rather than doing something for the money or doing something because somebody else said so. If you find something that you're passionate about and you do it, and everybody around you finds something they're passionate about and do it, all the jobs will be filled. It's just everybody will be a little happier, and we can actually change the world. Your population, you like your mac and cheese a little thicker.
At Hilton Head High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
See this come together, I'll slowly add a little if need be, but you tell me what you think.